literacy is expanding how people use symbols, print, visuals, and social media tools to create and share meaning. It's how we work and grow as citizens in a digital age. The Summer Institute in Digital Literacy is a hands-on, minds-on learning experience like no other. This inquiry-based program supports diverse learners from all walks of life. Participants will learn from and with elementary and secondary teachers, public and academic librarians, youth artists and media specialists, administrators and community leaders, and college and university faculty. Drawing on the theme of global storytelling in a digital age, we consider how the stories we create shape our identity within our learning communities. The Summer Institute in Digital Literacy from the University of Rhode Island, where everyone learns from everyone.